Welcome to Indy. Today I'm showing how to create new contacts and how to manage them within Indy. So to get started, just click Add a New Contact. And you can add their first name, their last name, their email. And you can choose the type of contact they are, whether they are a lead or a client or whatever else you want to label them as. Let's choose lead for now. You can add their company name, their company address, or any other notes you would like to include. You can also add tags if you want to bring even more organization to your clients. For example, if you want to separate your clients from local clients versus clients who are halfway across the country or maybe working internationally, you can add a tag that says local. And really, you can add a tag for any reason you want to. Whatever helps you organize your clients in the best way for you, you can add a tag for that. You can add the tag by hitting enter. And you can either keep adding tags or when you're done, just click save. So now we have our sample client, and for every client that you create, they'll show up down here. It'll organize all of your clients together based on whether they're leads or whether they are a client or whether they're something else. We also have the local tag listed right here. We could also add further tags if we wanted to. And up here, you can organize all of your clients based on their tags. You could click local. And if we had more clients who were local clients, they would all show up together. You can organize them by companies, or whether you just want to see your leads. And then when you want to start working with a client, you can just click on their name, and you'll find your workspace for everything associated with this client, from your chat messages to your projects, proposals, contracts, invoices. You can track all of the money you've earned from that client and all of the files related to their projects. So right now, our person is labeled as a lead. So if I wanted to, I could send a contract to this person right now. And as soon as they sign that contract, I could go ahead and change them to a client. You can also send them an invoice whenever you're ready, or a proposal. Anything you want to manage with a client can all be done from this single screen. And that's it. You're ready to start creating and managing contacts from Indy. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos to make the most out of your Indy experience.